Hi, good afternoon.
Hi, good afternoon.
How are you today?
I'm fine.
Please tell me about your work experience.
Uh, I graduated midwifery course. My experience as uh, taking care of the elder, then caring the babies with the OJT. First, I've been taking care for the elderly in Hospicio de San Jose. Then, my duties are taking care with them, taking a bath, take a vital signs and give them a medicine. Then after that, we have some activity to enhance their daily routine. Then second, child care, also the same procedure. I also take care of the children, take a bath, take the medicines, playtime with them, and some give them the basic education.
Okay, after that, do you have any working experience?
I'm not have a experience in actual in my field as midwifery, but I'm my experience in the office. I've been a secretary, admin assistant, clerk, at the same time receptionist.
And what were your duties and responsibilities while on the job?
My responsibility taking care the incoming and outgoing call, paperwork, in and out, fax, email, and legal papers.
And how long did you work with your last job?
My overall work experience is 8 years, but my last job, almost 3 years.
Okay, and why you decided not to continue your contract?
I decided to not to continue my contract for my family to give them more future in the near years to come.
How much salary are you looking for?
Probably I'm starting here, so probably I asking for 2,000 and above.
What is your favorite task? It is cooking, cleaning, or babysitting?
Babysitting.
What type of food can you cook?
Uh, Filipino food, then some basic Italian food.
In terms of babysitting, how do you know if the baby is sick?
Uh, he has a fever. Take the temperature. If or she is 37.8, and it is called it's a high fever.
If the employer is not in the house and the child got sick, what is the first thing that you would do?
Um, Take the first aid, sponge bath. Then after that, I give the sponge bath or the medicine. I called their parents regarding what happened to their children.
Do you consider yourself lucky?
Yes, I'm lucky because I have my 3 kids with me and I'm the one who taking care with them all these years.
What are your hobbies?
My hobbies is cooking, singing, playing, and some game in the computer.
Okay. And how long do you want to work here in UAE?
Um, it's depend on my employer and my if my employer inspired me and he liked my work. It's up to them how long I will stay here.
Do you think you would be a good full-time housemaid or nanny to your new employer?
Yes, I am
Why?
because I'm a Filipino, um, mother heartly, and more experience for taking care.
Okay, thank you. Nice talking with you and have a good day.